What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Pepe 2.0 fam, I told y'all, I said it could do the same thing it did back when it was at when it retraced back to 10 to 20 million dollars in market cap. The pattern, the chart never lies. The facts are in the charts. Even on meme coins, the facts are in the charts, man. When it comes to a project like Pepe 2, the community is so active, so based, so engaged, man. Like, y'all are constantly letting people know about the project. I know a lot of people at first was like, man, this is just gonna be some type of a meme coin that's not gonna have any staying power at all, no stability, no liquidity. And then all of a sudden, look at that, man. It is literally solidifying itself against Pepe, man. Pepe recently, we're going to take a look at Pepe for a little bit, but Pepe recently had a nice breakout. But guess what's having a nice little move to the upside as well? Very nice move to the upside, actually. Not even a, so if you bought when I told you guys in my video yesterday, you'd be up some percentages, and we're going to get into that, man. Pepe 2.0 holders, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. And yeah, let's take a look, man. Blow this video up, make it go viral. Let's see, man. Let's take a look. This chart that I showed you guys, see this chart from my previous video, can't fade that, man. A potential 12 to 13x move, and guys, it has stayed on that trend pattern. Look at this. What did I say from my previous video? This is my drawing right here. It did it previously back here, and now we could potentially see a bounce. And what are we seeing right now? Let's go to the Pepe 2.0, man. Pepe 2.0 at $30.3 million in market cap, $34 million in 24-hour trade volume, up 12.3%. And guess what? The volume is up. We are up 65% on Pepe 2.0, man. 65% if you bought that dip. If you bought that entry that I mentioned, man, that is insane, man. That is crazy. That is really crazy to think about, guys. Like, so crypto, you just got to take risks, man. Just don't invest more than you're willing to lose. If you're going to lose sleep over the amount you invest, don't invest it. Don't, okay? If you're going to lose sleep over it, don't invest it. But if you got a few hundred, like I say, when it comes to meme coins, I'm only messing with a few $100s. Now obviously there's people that'll go more because they're looking for that one life-changing win that'll change everything. But I'm happy for profits. I'm happy with building a portfolio from small wins to build my portfolio up, right? So yeah, guys, that's why I say even a little bit of exposure to meme coins could pay off, man. Even a little bit of exposure could be potentially great for you guys, because look at that. The rest of the market is retracing right now, and Pepe 2 is up 69%. That's crazy, right? I bet you a lot of people are bullish now. Hell, Pepe 2.0, I'm bullish. Today, Pepe 2.0 went up considerably, while the original Pepe went down considerably. Enough of the myth that there is a true Pepe. From VRN, now's your chance to buy more. LFG, it's not yet too late, guys. Bag up some Pepe 2. Pepe 2 boom from Hiva, from FBD. Pepe 2, sometimes you should take some profits, not financial advice. And he's right. Sometimes you take profits, man. Joshua G, Pepe 2, go to the moon. Homan, only 32 mil market cap, great entry, and we'll cap it off here with the Juzo. If you miss Pepe, don't miss Pepe 2. And from Sachin, best meme coin, Pepe 2. Right, so that's pretty bullish, guys. Let's take a look at trading view so we could get a closer look at the chart. Feeling a bit really proud of myself for calling the little bounce that we have going on right now. But you could already see, man, the market is kind of retracing. So I think it's, we had a lag effect, man. If Bitcoin wasn't like, we're gonna take a look, man. Bitcoin always ruins the fun, man. It really always ruins the fun. But yeah, this is the entry right here, guys. This was the entry right here. I was like, man, if it bounces, you're gonna get some nice profit. And you did, man. It did bounce. But if we take a look at Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? Yep. So Bitcoin kind of ruining the fun for us right now. Look at that. We were making this nice move, and now Bitcoin is coming back down, man. Probably liquidating all the shorts, guys. A lot of, well, not shorts, the longs. People that started the long Bitcoin, they were like, oh, it's going up, time to long it, and then boom, instantly liquidated. You mean to tell me that the XRP news, y'all saw that XRP, a judge ruled that XRP is not a security? I know a lot of you guys know in the space, this XRP legal situation has been going on forever. We finally got some clarification that it's not a security. We're supposed to be starting the bull run, and here comes Bitcoin liquidating the longs, guys. Insane. So now Pepe 2.0 is taking a tiny hit from the rally it was starting to get, guys. It was getting a nice little rally. Now it's taking a hit. So it really depends on what Bitcoin is gonna do from here, guys, because a lot of markets are correlated to the to Bitcoin. So it really depends. If Bitcoin starts to bounce, I would expect a continuation of this uptrend right here for Pepe 2.0, guys, once Bitcoin bounces. So we got to take a look and eye out for that. So be on the lookout for that. Be very wary of that, right? Like the person said, take profits. If you are in profit, you want to take some profits. Now would have been once you got that nice move to the upside, you're still in profit. I think from my video when I talked about it, I think so. Maybe a little bit of profit, just around a bit of profit. So hey, if you want to take profits, now would be the time. Or you could just diamond hand the project, right? But you could just diamond hand and wait to see what happens. But obviously, like I said, right, since you got an entry in this range, it's much better than buying up here. Clearly much better than buying up in this range right here. So the short-term price action shouldn't be an issue as long as Pepe 2.0 continues the uptrend, Bitcoin bounces, or overall we start to get more bullish, just like we just recently did, until Bitcoin started to crap the bed on us. Yeah, man. So let's take a look at the Twitter, right? Been a busy week. SEC acknowledges BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF application. They acknowledge it. Will they approve it, man? And Pepe 2.0 right there in the BlackRock office. This should be my thumbnail, man. Because Pepe 2.0, I know, like, you guys got to remember, the markets are correlated. If BlackRock approves that spot Bitcoin ETF, expect a huge green candle in Bitcoin and ETH. Ethereum was at $2,000. And remember, when Ethereum is bullish, Bitcoin and Ethereum is bullish, projects, altcoins follow, right? When Ethereum was making those moves to the upside, right, Pepe was making those moves to the upside. Let's take a look at ETH, actually. Take a look at ETH. What's the best chart for ETH? I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's try the Coinbase chart. See, look at that. See, so ETH was at $2,000, and guess what Pepe 2 was doing? It was running right behind ETH, and now Bitcoin crapped the bed, so Ethereum's crapping the bed, so expect other projects to crap the bed also. But look for a bounce, man. I think we're still in a bullish pattern. I think this is just this candle right here is just longs. All the people that was trying to long Ethereum and Bitcoin, they're getting liquidated. So longs are getting liquidated. We'll find a support zone. More than likely we could find a support here. More than likely we could find some support levels. Look for those support levels, guys. Look for the support levels that potentially could happen for Ethereum, right? Once the support levels are hit, that's when okay, now I could start to DCA again, right? And then once that happens, right, it's gonna happen the same for Pepe 2. Whenever Ethereum starts to hold its support levels and start to bounce or trade sideways to then bounce, that's when you're gonna see Pepe 2 continue its trend, right? So yeah, keep an eye out for that, man. So yeah, guys, BlackRock, Pepe 2. I'm telling you what, I'm waiting for that approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF, man. We got the XRP not being a security. We got the ETFs, man. New listing on ZT Exchange. Look at this. Pepe 2 will be listed on ZT Global. Henoch, fire emojis, and the community just going rampant, man. Look at that. Let's go. Whale, fire emojis, man. Look at that. Another listing for Pepe 2. Friends helping friends. They were making that move up, man. Oh, OG Pepe, acknowledge Pepe 2, man. Tell OG Pepe to acknowledge Pepe 2. Either way, Pepe 2 has truly became its own thing, and the community is really behind it, man. Like, there's a huge community behind it. So, you know, at first people was like, oh no, this isn't gonna, you know, be around, but it's holding up very well, and the community has shown its strength, and that's what I'll be looking for. Pepe 2.0, 1 billion story, a billion market cap would be such nice gains, man. No sleep till moon. Pepe 2, look at this. Pepe 2 has the 4th largest trade volume in 24 hours out of all the meme coins, surpassing Floki and Bone. Pepe 2, let's climb the ranks and pass Shiba in volume. Look at that. So right now we have more volume than Floki and Bone at 35 million volume, and it's only 177 million to pass Shiba in volume. You could already see that Pepe is the original Pepe is the second most traded volume, right? So imagine it goes Doge, Pepe, Pepe 2, and who knows, we could surpass Pepe 2, right? We could, you know. I still have a lot of issues with Pepe, like how it launched, because they had so many insider wallets in the Pepe launch with the devs. A lot of people, like their friends told them like to ape in and all that stuff. Like I don't even know if it was intentional or not for it to send the way that it did. The original Pepe, like even a blacklisted wallet. Right now, there's somebody with like $25 that turned to like millions, and he can't get his money. Like that's not DeFi, right? That's not decentralization, right? But you know, the space is still super bullish on the Pepe that's, you know, the Pepe that we know, right? The green Pepe, right? So the space is still bullish on it. So it's I do believe it's gonna send for the bull run, but there's room in the space for Pepe 2.0 as well. You know, there's room in the space for Pepe 2, and it could like blow past a lot of people's expectations. Because when Shiba was going to all-time highs, it wasn't the only project that did. There was Floki, there was Kishu, Akita, Dogecoin, Mars, Hoj, Safe Moon. There were so many other projects, right? So Pepe 2 could be one of those projects that absolutely crushes it going into the bull cycle, right? You just never know. Run it back, Turbo, community worth billions. Nice stuff, man. I love the memes, man. I really love the memes. A whale community member opened the voice chat in Telegram. Tune in. And look at this, man. We got something from L Bank, the meme king. So we got Pepe 2 versus all these other memes. Who will be the reigning champion? I'll keep an eye on this, man. Right here, Pepe 2 versus Simpson. We're beating Simpson so easily, man. It's gonna be so easy. Who will be champion, guys? Let's see, man. Let's see. What do we have here? Okay, Pepe 2.0 is on fire. 50% already from Gem Sheriff. Shout out to Gem Sheriff. I'm telling you, man, it was on the move, man. Blame Bitcoin for retracing, for the retrace on Pepe 2, man. High functioning R. Looky, 2-hour chart on the 200 MA has appeared, and it's stacked right against the 50 MA. We were making that nice move, man. We really were, man. But like I said, I'm expecting the bounce from Shala. If you miss best coins, here is Pepe 2, the second chance for you. If you miss Pepe, you could get Pepe 2, man. On Block Crypto, quick Pepe 2 update. The Pepe 2 chart fell below support. If the volume picks up and we continue to see as many green trades, I expect to break to pass the support soon. So he was aiming for that green box. We probably hit that box. We got so many green, such a high green wall here. We probably hit that box, but because of you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum following Bitcoin, we're having this retrace. Look for the bounce, guys. Look out for the bounce. CoinScan Pro, fourth largest trading volume in the meme space since day one, 2 weeks old, and that is Pepe 2. KuCoin is now holding 10% of Pepe 2 supply. Is this a sign of 1 bill market cap? What? KuCoin is holding. We gotta take a look at the wallets real quick, man. What? KuCoin is now holding 10% of Pepe 2 supply. They're buying up Pepe 2. KuCoin is buying up Pepe 2. And look at this, man. We aren't on. Floki's on Binance, for example, right? And we are not on Binance. We have more volume than Floki does, right? And we don't have a Binance listing. Like CoinScan said, is this a sign of 1 billion market cap? You gotta check volume, man. Volume indicates price action, guys. Look at this. Mexi has 12.2%. KuCoin has 8.5%. Gate.io has 3.3%. What the heck? The centralized exchanges have gone mental, scooping up Pepe 2, man. You know, this just means that this is so many coins that are out of circulation. So 24.2% of Pepe 2 supply is out of circulation. Bybit as well, right? So 26.6% is out of circulation because the exchanges are the biggest wallets in Pepe 2. That is amazing wallet distribution, guys. I'm gonna have to dive deep into that for another video, man. I'm gonna end the video right here. Pepe 2.0 super bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. So just like I said, I've said it multiple times already, look at Bitcoin and ETH, see what they do to look for your entry. Whenever you see Ethereum starts to turn green again, starts to bounce off of this capitulation candle right here, keep an eye out, look for the bounce, look for it when it starts to turn green. Maybe it does something like this. Wait, hold on, let me see. Yeah, maybe it does something like this, right? Something like that. That's when you start to think about DCAing once again into Pepe 2, guys. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Blow this video up. Pepe 2 is going to crush it, man. I'm telling you guys, look at that. We're already kind of eating the dip, right? We're already eating the dip. And also join the Patreon. Link to the Patreon is in the description, guys. Recently just posted a project on the Patreon that is already 2x, a 2x project, and I was super early to it at 1.1 million in market cap. Now it's at 2.3 million, right? So just like that, is a meme coin, could take your initial investment and let the rest ride, guys. But it's only on the Patreon. Personally recommend my crypto elite tier for my buy alerts and my sell alerts and the private Discord. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.